Hey everybody, I'm StonerSlim, the high guy with the bow tie. Without a bow tie on today, but it's cool though. It's my favorite day in the world once again, Tuesday. Yes sir. So you know what that means. Grab your fresh weed, your fresh and weed is. We finna take another trip in the Munch. And StonerSlim, the high guy with the bow tie. Without the bow tie today, is gonna be your tour guide this evening. Let's go. Oh.
Bitch, I got the sauce.
Hey everybody, I'm StonerSlim, the high guy with the bow tie without the bow tie on today, and I'm back. And the reason I don't have a bow tie on today is because I started a new project. I'm making my own merchandise and stuff. I didn't even know I was that creative. So at the end of the show, we'll have all the, I do more advertising and stuff. But enough of all that. You know what we came here for. It's our favorite day of the week to get high and get something to eat. It's Tuesday. We're back in the Munch, and I'm StonerSlim. Thank you all for joining me again. And today, I want something quick. Every day I cook, but I want to switch it up. Haven't had it in a long time. So like a fish out to sea, I'ma go fishing. Grabs me some fish up out the sea, and today we're gonna have some catfish. Not just any type of catfish. Spicy stoner catfish. How does that sound to everyone? Normally when you cook by yourself, you have ingredients, but when you're in the Munch with StonerSlim, we don't have ingredients. We have ingredients, baby. First ingredient already on the stove. We frying this fish, so we got us some grease just simmering and marinating on a low flame right now. So yeah, we're gonna do it like that. I didn't want the whole fish, of course. Of course I didn't want the whole fish. So we got us some little catfish nuggets. Nug. It's not football season yet, so I guess I can use something from Louisiana. So we're gonna use us New Orleans style fish fry with some real lemon added. Ooh, flavorful. Slap your mama seasoning. I don't want to slap my mama, but the seasoning might make you want to, dog. Ground black pepper. Always add that flavor. Season the salt, then salt the season the salt. Yeah. Soul food seasoning, even though we ain't soul food, and I don't even know it. I broke the top somehow. Even though this ain't soul food, we still gonna season it up like my mama cooking it, dog. And in order to make this stoner spicy, cayenne pepper, scrum them limbs. And now the most crucial, significant, wonderful, most needed ingredient of them all, a teaspoon of Wheaties. I need to go to the grocery store, don't I, guys? And I got enough Wheaties for a bow tie real low. A bow tie real low. And I can't light my weed without a bow tie real low. Lighter, straight up. Matter of fact, let me light my roof off. So before I got on camera, I went on ahead and cleaned off my fish and stuff. So what I'm gonna do for you all, I'm gonna season it up right, then we're gonna batter it up right. I'm gonna pour some of that Louisiana stuff in the plate. We're gonna batter each individual nug, drop it in the grease when it gets hot enough. Get up out your hair, get to this good eating. Hope you got some bread, dog. Are you ready for the stoner, baby? So let me introduce my friend. It's the strainer bowl, the handy dandy strainer bowl. It's the strainer bowl, the handy dandy strainer bowl. Hey, we'll do some straining later, but right now I'm using you to season my fish delight, We're gonna start off by turning my flame up a little bit higher. We're gonna dump my catfish nuggets in there. The base of the seasoning. Season salt. Get a good coat. Leave no fish unfishy. Black pepper. Now it's time for the slap your mama. Just the child lock. You take the child lock off that guy. Soul food seasoning. And now, add some spice to your life with the cayenne. Take the child lock off him too. Now we mix. Now that it's all mixed in, I'm not gonna add too much more seasoning. I'm just gonna add more cayenne pepper, make it a little bit more spicy, and a little bit more pepper. Let me wash my hands. Let me get more cayenne. Spicy, spicy, rather spicy, dog. And let me take this time out to light my wrist. So, and transfer the Louisiana stuff to a plate so I can batter my fish, cut my wrist. Let's do it. Try me a few of these guys. I said I was gonna do them individually, but I ain't got no patience. I got a small piece. Let me find it. This is gonna be my test dummy. Let's see how hot my grease has got. Oh yeah, we ready to start cooking. One by one, I will take you down. As a matter of fact, do it like this. Put some on top. Make this jump quick and easy. Quick and easy is the way to be. That big whale I just dropped in there, just called the tidal wave. Oh, turn you down some. Don't pop me. I am beautiful. This the whole fish right here. They got tired when they cut them. This might just be the quickest thing I ever cooked. It's like as soon as you drop it in the grease, it's already be out your head like 5-10 more minutes, you know what I'm saying? Young stoner man, we in the munch, 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 we in the munch. Since these strainer boil is in use, I will use this little black brother. This strainer spoon, Golden brown fishes. You all ready for round 2? Fight! Yeah, that individual stuff. They don't cook so fast. I need to put a few in there one time.
I don't wanna talk it out. Baby girl, what you talking about? What you wanna do? We can do it with the lights out. Lights out, lights out. We can do it with the lights out. Lights out, lights out.
I'm gonna do something a little different. We never have a finished product in the middle of the show, so we gonna do the taste test right now. Are you ready for some catfish, baby? I am. Ooh, wish me luck.
But a nigga ain't laughing. Get in the pussy and I'm stabbing. Get in the pussy and I'm boxing. Hey, make this nigga no jabbing. Ain't no blabbing. Ain't no talking.
And they got some kick to it. Kick. Punch. It's all in the munch. It's the best damn fish I ever made. Excuse my language.
Ain't no fooling. Got her on this wood. And now she drooling.
So we letting the remainder of the fish fry. At the beginning of the show, I didn't have an apron on. I wanted to show off the shirts that I've been making. Stoners Against Racism. I believe stoners are against racism because we don't think about it. We don't want to think about anything that's going to take us away from the high that we're trying to enjoy right now. I don't hate anybody. I don't hate anything. I just want the best for everything. So this is for everybody. Everybody who smokes weed, we're a group of people too. You know what I'm saying? So Stoners Against Racism. If you'd like to support my movement, support my black business, click the links in the description below and it'll take you right where you need to go in order to purchase your own Stoners Against Racism apparel. We just got shirts right now, but after that, you know, we're gonna have a lot more stuff. So Just want to thank everyone who's already been supporting the movement, and thank you all for allowing me to take time out of my show to tell you about what I got going on. Not only do I smoke weed, I think too. I can't find my lighter. I can't find my lighter. I can't find my lighter. I found my lighter. Let me take this time out to light my reefer. What you dip your fish in? I'm not no tartar sauce type of guy. Man, that's probably the worst sauce that they got out there, for real. Like, everything else can possibly get a pass, even though I won't eat none of it. But tartar sauce, you can't even. Don't send none of that stuff my way. Give me some ketchup and some hot sauce, maybe some mustard. You in the game, you know what I'm saying? Tell me what you dip your fish in, you know what I'm saying? You just eat it dry, or are you a tartar sauce? You know, that's a curse word in SpongeBob for a reason. Tartar sauce. Yeah, because tartar sauce is disgusting. Yeah, so what you dip your fish in? Comment below, let me know. Young Stoner. Yeah, I got the sauce, but not tartar sauce. I go through so many paper towels per episode, man. Bounty need to go ahead and give your boy a sponsorship, for real though. Let's get this fish up out of here. Ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. Do the shit any day, any way how you want it. You don't want to be my opponent. Cause I knock a nigga out. There's only a few pieces of fish left, so I ain't even gonna bore you out with that. I'm gonna get up out your hair, use my recipe. It's one of the best catfish I've ever tasted in my life. If you enjoyed the music in the background, it was me, of course. You know what I'm saying? Click those links in the description. It'll take you to all my music. Links in the description to purchase your Stoners Against Racism shirt. And most importantly, follow me on all social media at StonerSlim123. I thank you all so much for giving me your time and your attention during this COVID. Now the world opening back up. Thank you all for continuing watching. We got 2 more episodes. We're gonna be done with this season, and we'll be back in the fall. So catch me every Tuesday at 9:30 for the next 3 weeks, and we'll be back next fall. Right now, I'm gonna get into this catfish, destroy it, slaughter it, all that good stuff, and end up in my belly. Thank you all for your time once again. You've been in the Munch with StonerSlim, and I'm the high guy with the bow tie without the bow tie, because I ain't got no bow tie on today. Yes, sir. Love you all. Mwah.
Bitch, I got the sauce.